Hey guys, Puggy here. I'm back here with another video, and I don't know how I'm gonna turn this into a video, but I am. So we are gonna be unboxing this season 2 thing narwhal, and yeah. So it's so beautiful. I just love that narwhal. It's so beautiful, almost too beautiful to open. Yeah, we're gonna open this. Of course, we're not gonna open it. And yeah, I don't know what that was, but don't ask me, please. So we got some glasses, this little pet. Okay, there goes the drink. This floaty donut, and this narwhal. I think the narwhal is the rarest, if I can get it out. Okay. And you know what's weird about the narwhal? That from generation 1, was it? That the whales or whatever, or dolphin, the tails actually bobbled. But no, Hasbro decided nope, it's just gonna be a normal whale. It's not gonna have a bobbly tail. See like how the tail like bobbles and moves, but you know, they got a little lazy with the tail. But it's still cute. I love the horn. The horn, if it wasn't for the horn, I wouldn't have got you. So that makes you special. So yeah, we don't need you anymore. Okay. Let's just, so we got this tiny crab here. My only question is, why a crab with a whale? Why not a whale and a fish? Why can't it come with a tiny little fish? Are these glasses even meant for this job? These don't even fit on its head. It doesn't even fit. Okay, let me just focus, just zoom in, okay? The glasses don't even fit on its head. I don't think they're, oh, never mind, they fit. Okay, half. After struggling forever. Just a second thought, why does it have a crab bun? I'm pretty sure crabs, and there goes the sunglasses. I'm pretty sure crabs don't have hair, so why is there hair at the top? Yeah. So we got our floaty, and we put this guy in it. Yeah. Just, why? I like the donut idea, but why the crab? Why not a fish? Okay, why not a fish? Get out of here. Okay. That was rude. Oh, it's got a golden thingy, of course. Probably because it's rare, like a rare thing. I love narwhals. Narwhals are great. Narwhals swimming in the ocean. And then, you know, they can just get a little tipsy. Just drink it. It's not poison. Shh, just drink it, please. How did you do that? Ow. How did you, what? I can't do that. How did you do that? Anyway, guys, I don't know what this video was. It was complete random. But yeah, let's just call it an unboxing of a narwhal. Because, yeah.